Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for vintage and clothing accessories business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can see templates from here. Here you can choose the topic and the type of your business. So the topic might be here. So the topic isn't here. The type, for example, you can just an online store. Now let's continue. Here you can choose any template you want, and so you can build your own templates from here. So let's get started. Here you can enter your you can type your site name, any name for vintage clothing and accessories business. So let's continue. Here build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section to attract people. Also the product section, all the sections must be an attractive section to attract more people. So that's it. Here you can add page to your site, just a shop, and here you can choose the color palette. For example this, and the fonts, you can choose the fonts. Also the font must be an attractive. You can choose any font match with this business. For example this. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip, I'm gonna skip this. So if you want to edit, you can edit it from here. This is your home page right now. So first you can edit here the view, you can change it, you can make it like a mobile view, and you can make it like a desktop view. So first you can change this text here. For example, you can type welcome to our site for vintage clothing and accessories. So that's it. The background, you can choose the background from here. So you can choose the background, the image or video or art, whatever you want. So for example, let's select something from free image here. So just search vintage clothing and accessories. So wait a few seconds. For example, I'm gonna choose this. That's it. You can duplicate this section from here, or save it, or move it down, or move it up as you like. So if you want to add something new, you can click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Now let's go to the site header. So here you can change the site title, and you can upload your logo image from your library, or just you can upload a file, and also you can upload a mobile logo image. So that's it. Also here you can change the label, for example shop now, or wherever you want. So if you want to add something on your section, just click here and you can add text or image or video, button, whatever you like. So the text might be bigger for attract people, like this. Now we can go to the fonts, to the site styles, and here you can choose the font. You can change the font as you like. Just click here, switch fonts back. You can choose one of these fonts here. I'm gonna just skip this font. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Click on it and click here. Now you can add a link or add an item here. You can change here the wave intensity, like this. You can edit the page settings. For example, here you can change this. You can type here shop. Also the navigation title, and the URL also you can change it. So after this you can just click here save. That's it. So I'm gonna continue on the second part on the next video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part of this business on the second video. So that's it. See you.